Hey, what is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you some shampoo recipes that you can use to fade the color from your hair. So let's go ahead and get into the video. So I'm coming to you live from my little bathrobe and shower cap because I thought it'd be fitting for this video because we're talking about shampoos and shower cap recipes. So this is the method that I use to fade out the color from my hair most of the time. I just did a video where I talked about color removers and things like that. Those are chemical color removers and they can be pretty damaging to your hair. It's not realistic to use those every single time you want to change your hair color. So this is what I use to fade the color from my hair from this to this. And then if you did want to use a color remover, I would suggest fading your hair as much as you can so the color remover doesn't have to do that much work. So what I do, this is my little recipe. So you have to take dandruff shampoo, so obviously Head and Shoulders. Did they just come out with this new bottle? Because it's actually kind of pretty. So Head and Shoulders and then a clarifying shampoo. So this is just kind of like a random one that I found, but you want to look for something that says clarifying or detoxing. This one says detoxing or deep cleanse, something like that, something clarifying. It's something that will strip your hair because we're trying to strip the color from your hair. And if you look at the ingredients on the bottle, you do want to look for something with sulfates. I know we're like kind of conditioned to look for something without sulfates, without parabens, without sulfates, but when you're trying to strip the color from your hair, sulfates will help strip your hair. So this shampoo does have sulfates. It's a cleansing shampoo. So what I do is I'll take a little mix of the dandruff shampoo and my clarifying shampoo, mix it up and apply on wet hair and then put my shower cap on and then let that kind of sit for about 10 minutes. I don't leave it on that long. It's almost like a hair mask, but let it kind of do its thing and then rinse it off. And then most importantly, you have to do a deep conditioner after. So it depends on how aggressively I'm trying to fade out my hair. When I was trying to fade out the blue before I used the color remover, I was doing this every single day. So I would do the shampoo cap, wash it out with hot water because hot water also helps to strip out the hair color. And then I would do a deep conditioner. I was using the Olaplex Bond Enforcing or Bond Maintenance Conditioner. This one is, I would consider this like a deep conditioner. This one brings my hair back to life. So I do highly recommend this one. But any like really strong deep conditioner will be good because doing this method does tend to dry out your hair. It kind of strips your hair. It makes it a little like dry and brittle, especially if you're doing it every single day. So you do want to have like a really nice conditioner to kind of bring back your hair to life. So this is my go-to recipe. I feel like it's fairly gentle on your hair as far as shampoo cap recipes go. There are a few other ones that I'll tell you about, so let me just pull them up. There's another recipe that I saw someone use that really worked for her, and it was Dawn dish soap, baking soda, and purple shampoo. So purple shampoo does have like lighteners in it, so that's kind of why you want to use purple shampoo. But using Dawn dish soap and baking soda, it worked for her and it might work for you. So if you want to try that out, but I would kind of recommend staying away from the baking soda and like the vitamin C method. I feel like they dry out your hair more so than using like a shampoo. Like a shampoo is a shampoo, but using baking soda and vitamin C, I feel like it's pretty abrasive to the hair. So if you're gonna go that route, just be careful. But yeah, the shampoo caps, washing with hot water and doing like Olaplex treatments in between and using a deep conditioner is my favorite method. I feel like it keeps the integrity of your hair and you don't have to use bleach, you don't have to use a color remover or anything like that. It's pretty gentle on your hair as far as like stripping the color from your hair goes. And that's what I did over and over again to fade my hair to this color here. And this is light enough for me to do my next color, which I'm so excited for you guys to see. But if you are looking for something more aggressive, then check out my color remover video to see what I recommend in terms of like color removers. If you want to get your hair back to being blonde, you're like totally over your color, check that video out. But other than that, I'll leave this video here. It was just a little quick tip video, and I'll see you guys in the next one with my new hair color. I'm so excited. Bye.